Want to make your File Explorer look modern and transparent like glass? Let me show you in just 1 minute. In the description box, you'll find a link. Download files and scripts from my GitHub. Clicking that link will take you directly to my official GitHub page. On the right-hand side, you'll see Releases. Click on it. On the next page, you'll find File Explorer Transparency. Scroll down a little and under Assets, you'll see the first link named Source Code, zip. Click it, and your download will start immediately. After the download is finished, go to the folder where the zip file was saved. Now, before using it, you need to unzip the file. If you have WinRAR or 7-zip installed, you can extract it easily. Here, I'm using 7-zip to extract the file. Once the extraction is complete, double-click on the folder to open it. Inside, double-click on Release_x64, then double-click again on Release. Here, you'll see 4 files. Select all 4 files and cut them. Now, go to your C drive right-pointing arrow, open Program Files right-pointing arrow and paste those 4 files there. If you scroll down a little, you'll see a file named register.cmd. Double-click on it, and the transparent File Explorer effect will start working. Just follow the same steps as shown in the video, and enjoy the result. See, the system just blinked. It only takes a few seconds. Now, open File Explorer and you'll notice it has turned transparent. That's it. Easy, right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome Windows tricks.